My name is Jasmine Bullock, and this is The 60, your BCPS news in 60 seconds or less. Taking place on Tuesday, November 15th at 12:30 p.m., the BCPS Office of Mental Health Services is hosting a Lunch and Learn, where this lesson will mainly focus on E-CPR. This virtual presentation will teach students and adults to learn how to look for warning signs in case of an emergency crisis. Registration for this event is required. Also taking place on November 15th at 6 p.m., a workshop is being held virtually where participants will get to explore the mysterious parts of their brain and learn new strategies and coping skills that will help them achieve academic and social emotional success. Registration is required to attend this event. The Youth Apprenticeship Employer Interest Meeting will be held on November 16th from 3 to 5 p.m. Employers who are interested in growing their workforce, recruiting new talent, and mentoring students are encouraged to attend this event to learn more about the program. My name is Jasmine Bullock, and this is The 60.